Okay, so the reason why I was wondering, I was confused about the packages I was getting, was because I thought I got shipped keycaps because I heard the classic keycap sounds, right? So I thought, man, who shipped me keycaps or something? You know, I just didn't. I just wasn't on the lookout for it, and turns out. So there was some bubble wrap here, just this stuff, but with some addresses, and then that is the Keywalker. It's a Bluetooth board, and so you hear that, right? You have to be kind of careful because there's an address somewhere. Well, hold on. Okay, the address is on this side. Wow. Wow. But hey, we've got a brush. So if we have anything broken, this should come in handy. Wow, you're gonna need more than a brush for this. And so I'm most definitely gonna have to clean these keycaps. It's sweet baby race, so it's pretty nasty. Yeah, so we're gonna clean that out. Oh, it's actually got LEDs as well. Well, I guess at least it's a plastic case, so you don't have to worry about anything getting dinged, honestly.
Money!
Back 540, $5. Thank you so much. How did this come to you? Like I said, just in this box. It wasn't wrapped at all. It was just sitting in a box, and then with just bubble wrap to fill in the gap. So I guess at least he kind of tried. There was an attempt. There was an attempt. It's not as bad as the TGI Jane V2 though. I don't know if you guys saw that. So I showed that last night because I actually streamed last night. Let me see if I can find it. Jane V2. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I Googling it? I need to find it in my Discord. Yeah, so it is. If you think, man, what the hell is this guy thinking? Hold up. Let me show you something even better. Shachi says, should I cry now? We'll test the board out. So I'll probably have to try to connect the Bluetooth to it, and then we'll see if it works. But so check out the Imgur link that I just put in chat. Check that out. We're gonna look at it on stream too. So yeah, so this one's even worse because they didn't include a brush. Okay, so a PCB, you know, you got parts just kind of falling off, and look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. And apparently the plate is also kind of fucked. So yeah, so the PCB was just on the sitting on the outside, and this was all the packaging that it had. So again, with the flat rate box, and then just 2 pieces of foam on the top and bottom of the keyboard, and that was it. So nothing even on the sides. and on the front and back. So literally just ship like that. Yeah. What is the address on the box? Whoops. Well, now I remember why I deleted the VOD yesterday. Okay, so let's start over. Keywalker68. Okay, yeah, so now I remember, yeah, because I had to delete the VOD from last night. Now I remember why I did that, because I showed that album. Whoops. Okay, so these are die sub keycaps, I believe. And we're gonna have to try to, oh, apparently you can plug it in. Okay, so let's plug it in first to make sure everything works, and then we will maybe try to connect the Bluetooth. Maybe. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that, honestly. Where does this cable go? Okay, it's not plugged in. Because we need a micro USB. Darkest timeline in the keyboard hobby, micro USB connectors. You restart the stream and delete since it's still the beginning. Yeah, we'll get to that. Okay. So I guess the B key is randomly flashing to say Bluetooth or something. I don't know. Do you see that? Hopefully that's normal. G833E and CCE. Hello. So I think he's gonna work with the seller to get a refund or something. I have no idea. He wanted almost 3K for it. Man, I hope my friend didn't pay 3K for it. I told him not to buy it. I specifically told him not to buy it. And he was like, "Oh, guess what? You know how you mentioned not to buy the Jane? I bought it, and check out how it showed up." Okay, so let's test this thing. Man, why are the LEDs so weird? I'm kind of scared. Okay, so now it's just the bottom. Oh, it's randomly going off again. Okay. Now let's see if everything works. So there's a function key. Okay. So hey, look at that. All the switches work. So that's good sign. Now let's check for cosmetic damage, and I'll probably have to look up how to connect the Bluetooth. So I have no idea. Okay, so yeah, like I said, plastic case, so you can't feel too bad about it, honestly. I'm gonna have to clean it for sure though. It's a bit too nasty. What am I doing? We're still. I like clicky switches, not sure why they get so much hate. Please understand. Okay, so the rubber feet work fine. So now I have to figure out. You know, as far as stabilizers go, this is not terrible for a stock board. I'm gonna clean the keycaps. I am just gonna stick them in an ultrasonic cleaner, just like how I cleaned the modern beige Japanese set. Okay. Oh, what was I trying to do? I was trying to look up the Keywalker. Oops. I'm Googling this shit. Keywalker68 manual. Wow. Oh, so apparently this thing was on mass drop. Okay, do they have a link to them? Okay, see instruction manual. Amazing! So I clicked on the instruction manual. Okay, so there is something here. Okay, so 2 of the links don't work. But yeah, so this thing was on mass drop a while back. My keyboard now is in pairing mode. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, I see, I see. So function Q or W or E. Alright, so let's try this. Should I just do it with my Surface actually? Maybe. Might as well. Okay. NGB, hello, hello. Oh wow, this GitHub page is actually pretty good for it. Okay, that is nice. It's a long press. Wait. Okay. So, let's do this thing. Which camera should I use? So Bluetooth. And add a Bluetooth device. Let's turn this thing on. Function Q. Or is it long Q and then or do I hold it? Okay, I actually found it. Cool. Look at that. Keywalker. So, connecting. Enter this pin on Keywalker. So 8, 6, 4, 2, 7, 9. Enter. Device ready to go. I wonder how many people bought Polaris to resell. I don't think anyone's buying it to resell. I mean, it's kind of pointless to do that, but it would be funny though if people try to do that. Now I can hack your keyboard. Oh no! So, this means why? Oh, do I not have switch hitter on here? Lol. There we go. Shokan, do you have a GoPro? You should, dude. Now that you're getting into cycling, maybe the next thing you should invest in, you should sell some keyboard stuff and buy a GoPro or something close to it. And then either stream or record, you know, your bike path. That would be pretty fun. I'd watch it. Oh, Bayam, hey, long time no see. Okay, so it looks like the Bluetooth works just fine, just great. This is actually easier to connect than the Philco Manila Air. The Philco Manila Air is honestly kind of annoying, but this thing is old though. And this thing honestly feels like crap comparatively. Let's listen to how creaky it is. It just feels and sounds cheap. Compared to this. This is just pretty stiff. Oh, is it not connected? What? Oh, and I don't want to do the whole reconnect thing, so you know what? I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so I can also turn this thing off now. Not been inspired recently. Like I said, man. Dude, go cycling. Take videos, take pictures. We'll be there. Okay, so Bluetooth seems to work great. Now let's take it apart. And to take it apart, I'm assuming there's a screw point here. Yes. Turn it off. You can see the indent. So, man, how do I get in there? It seems like the screw is really close to where the sticker is. Or, I'm pretty sure the screw is there. Oh lordy. Wow, we just got baited. There's actually no screw there. What? Okay, so now I'm hoping it's not under the rubber feet. That's always annoying. I need a spudger to do this. I don't know where mine went though. Oh wow, no screw points at all. Interesting. Okay, we see the battery. So is that the rattling sound? Guess that must be it. Yeah, I think our best bet would be to try and tape it to the PCB. Cause yeah, cause it was. This is the only thing that was rattling. Microsoft Surface pretty nice. Hot swap back cover. Man, whatever happened to... Remember when they said that the Kira was gonna have different tops and everything? To take advantage of the magnetic top. So whatever happened to that? Oh, the GitHub link actually has the teardown for it. Wow, I am so sorry. It's okay, I will clean the adhesive off nice and clean. Although we probably need to take a picture of the serial number. Because pretty much every plastic case I've opened, like Duckies, Keycouts, Leopolds, Philcos, all of them have at least one screw point. It's only a 1200. Yeah, and then the annoying ones will have the screw points underneath the rubber feet. I think the Quickfire Rapid, does that one have that? No, the Quickfire Rapid has like 3 or 4 points. Opayong says, question. Built my 60% with red holy pandas. A couple of my switches are a bit twisted. Try placing different switches on those spots and play see if that fixed it. Problem was consistent on all the York switches I tried it on. At the brass plate recommended me. Do you have a picture of it? Because the thing is, when the switches are not aligned, it should be quite obvious because of, you know, the grid arrangement of the switches. So if it's just not even straight in the plate, it should be pretty easy to diagnose. Okay, I think that's only a 1200. Yes, so only 1200. We're getting a bigger one. Okay, with a knife to make sure it's not empty. Tape it to the case, says Guy Montags. Welcome, Guy Montags. Rather than a PCB, we're trying to eliminate rattle. No, so that was the idea at first, but the thing is, if you tape it to the case, it's kind of difficult. Because, I guess, actually, you know what? That could work. But, well, the thing is, because if you tape it to the case, and you need to take the board apart later, it might be a bit difficult, I think. Might be. Though I think maybe if you... Yeah, because if you tape it down to the case, it's going to be very difficult to unplug the battery later on. So that's why you're better off just, you know, taping it to the PCB or using some other kind of filler material. Like, you know, something like just blue tack or foam or whatever that is not permanent at all, and you can easily just pull it out when you need to. Yeah, because if you tape it down to the case, see how short the wire is from the battery? It's going to be very difficult for you to take this out later on. They're perfectly straight. I have my Telios on it, same exact board and plate and all, just different switches. So what about the yaw switches in another plate? Are they crooked there too? But yeah, I think that if you can, the, you know, sanding down the housing is definitely easier than sanding down the plate, but you probably might have to sand down the plate. Okay, what else was I trying to do? All right. Okay, so looks like, yeah, pretty straightforward. Should be easily replaceable. Just the LEDs are gonna be kind of a bitch, I think. That's the. So, do you want LEDs back on here? Because you can always change out the LEDs as well, since you know you're already gonna have LEDs. Oh wow, it's north facing though, so could be a problem with some cherry keycaps. Literally just a few keys. So just the. Wait, is this a 60%, right? Wait, but are your Tilios PCB mount? Is that why they are straight when you put them into the plate? Is that why? Maybe? Okay, so this thing uses plate mount cherry style stabilizers. Now we don't know if they're genuine or not, but they look genuine. I will probably have to take them apart just to test them. You know what? Maybe not actually. Yeah, but plate mount. Should probably bag these up. I'll do it later. Yeah, looks like it should be pretty straightforward, honestly. I definitely like it more than the Manila Air so far. Seems like a good evolution of Bluetooth keyboards. I'm not gonna snap this thing back.